everybody, today we are here to make you aware about the constitutional rights given to the citizens of India.
Listen, everybody carefully listen.
Who are you?
I am the Constitution of India, written by Bhimrao Ambedkar.
What are constitutional rights?
Let's see what are the constitutional rights.
Now we will come to know about our first fundamental right. Let's just have a look at it.
Mama, I want to go to Goa.
What? Goa? Why do you want to go to Goa?
It's a trip from school.
No, I cannot allow you to go alone there.
Mama, please, I want to go.
No means no, I cannot allow you. Just go to your room and start studying.
Mama.
Hi dear, where were you?
I was just chilling out with my friends.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, Lord. Mama, I want to go to Goa.
You too want to go to Goa?
Yeah.
Of course you can.
Mom, I want 20,000 rupees.
Only 20,000? Take 30,000 and enjoy there.
Thank you, Mom.
Mom, what is this? You permitted brother but you denied me.
Of course, yes. Girls are having no rights and freedom.
But our country is independent country.
Independence is just meant for boys, not for girls. Now go away. As we saw our first fundamental right, right to freedom. It includes right to freedom of speech, expression and assembly. Whether it is a girl or a boy, it doesn't matter. All have equal rights. Now let's have a look at our second fundamental right.
What are you doing? You have spoiled all my clothes. You cannot see and walk.
Even you can see and walk.
You yourself cannot see and you teaching me how to walk.
Sister, I am handicapped.
If you are handicapped, you need to walk on side and rather than footpath.
So what if I am handicapped? Yes, I am handicapped. Why don't we get rights? We live in an independent country.
As we saw our next fundamental right, which is right to equality. According to Article 14 and 18 of Indian Constitution, we all have equal rights and it prohibits discrimination on the grounds of caste, race, gender or place of birth. Now let's have a look at our next fundamental right.
Oh, what are you doing in this college?
What do you mean by this college? I come to here study.
In such expensive college? How did you took the admission? You are a daughter of farmer.
So what if I am a daughter of farmer? Don't poor people have the right of education? Education doesn't differentiate between poor and rich people.
Next fundamental right, which is cultural and educational right. According to Article 29 and 30 of Indian Constitution, each citizen has right to preserve their own culture, language and script. Now let's have a look at our next play.
Hey, wait, where are you going? Don't you see this red light?
Hey, move away. I'm in a hurry. I want to reach home soon.
What happened if you are in hurry? Don't you know about the rules?
You don't know who am I. My father is the SP of this area.
So what if your father is SP? Then I will put a big charge on you.
Do whatever you want to. Next fundamental right, which is right to constitutional remedies. According to Article 32 to 35 of Indian Constitution, it enables and enacts strict enforcement of all the fundamental rights. Now let's have a look at our next. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah.
Hey, get up. What are you doing here?
I'm praying, Lordship.
But this is our stance.
How is it possible?
People of my religion come here and pray.
Even my religion.
No,
people
this
also
is
come
our
here.
place. You cannot
No,
come
it's
here.
not possible.
This
This
is
is
our
our
place.
place.
You cannot
It's our
come here.
place.
You
No.
have to go to your place.
Why are you both fighting? We all are having one religion. We all are one. Why are you both fighting? Why are you separating the religion? Our constitution says that we all have one religion and we should live unitedly. There is no need for fighting. Let's live unitedly.
Next fundamental right, which is right to the freedom of religion. Article 25 to 28 of Indian Constitution clearly states that each and every individual is having their own right to practice, profess and propagate their religion. Now let's have a look at our next scene.
Hey, what are you doing?
I am stepping.
This is how you clean. All the stuffs are scattered over here and there.
Isn't it clean enough?
You're arguing with me. You're arguing with me.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Who are you? She is my maid. I can do whatever I want.
I am the constitution of this country. She is your property?
She is my maid. I'll do whatever I want. Her daily expenses depends on me.
Do not do this. I'll file a complaint against you if you'll do this, and you can be jailed for your actions.
I can be jailed?
Yeah, you can be. You can do that.
Fundamental right is right against exploitation. Article 23 and 24 of Indian Constitution strictly prohibits any kind of child labor, forced labor, or human trafficking. Now let's have a brief discussion about all fundamental rights.
The culture and educational rights preserve the right of any section of citizens to conserve their culture, language or script, and the right of minorities to establish and administer educational institution of their choice. The right of constitutional remedies to present for enforcement of fundamental rights. One of the fundamental rights is the right of minorities to save their culture. Minorities are groups which have common language or religion and live in a particular part of the country. These communities have a culture, language and a script of their own and have the right to preserve and develop this. All minorities religious can establish their own educational institutions also. In this way they can preserve and develop their own culture. As we know, democracy is the rule of the majority of people, but on the other hand, minorities are also important for its successful working. Thus, the protection of language, culture and religion of minorities become important. The right to education has been recognized as a human right in a number of international conventions. Education is the powerful tool by which economically and socially marginalized adults and children can lift themselves out of poverty and participate fully as citizens.
We see many small kids working at different stalls and shops, but we do not say anything to them. We do not take any action against them. It's our duty to stop all these things. We have enacted our roles and now it's your turn to take action against this, to stop this exploitation. So I hope you all will wake.
According to Article 19 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, stated in 1948, states that every citizen of the country has a right to freedom without the interference of any of the frontiers. No other person in the country has a right to discriminate any of the right to freedom, whether a girl or a boy, whether a poor or rich. Everyone has an equal right to freedom.
Right for the constitutional remedies is present for the enforcement of the fundamental rights of the citizen. This empowers the citizen to move to the court of law in case of any denial or violation of their fundamental rights. The court can issue various kinds of writs protecting the fundamental rights of the citizen. That is the reason it is called the chain, the delegated wonder, the heart and the spirit of the Constitution.
According to Indian law, girls and boys have equal parental property from 1956.
Right to freedom of religion. The right to freedom of religion gives individuals the right to profess any religion of their choice. It also includes the freedom to change one's religion or beliefs.